Good afternoon, everybody. Shall we start now,
Thank you,
ma'am?
sir. Yes.
Are you okay, ma'am, now?
No problem. Just I join and need actual 10 minutes to leave. So it's you continue, no problem.
Okay. Okay.
Then I just camera off my camera 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
So continue.
Okay. Welcome once again the India-Bangladesh telecollaboration project. We have successfully completed 4 sessions, and now today we are conducting our 5th session. And I heartily welcome Marathe sir, Nilufar, Yasmin ma'am, and all the dear
Yes,
and
sir,
dear
audible.
students.
Your poster is so nice, sir. So
Thank you, ma'am.
nice.
Thank you.
Okay. If I have time, I also make this type of
Okay. Okay.
poster. Thank you.
Assumes.
So today the topic of our 5th session is good health and well-being. It is SDG number 3, and today we are discussing this topic here. This session is also divided into 2 parts, and in the first part we are going to discuss free time and your culture. It means that how do we spend our free time, leisure time. And in the second part, we are going to discuss about good health and well-being, that is SDG number 3. So first of all, I am sharing my free time and how do I spend my leisure time. First of all, hobbies. To spend the leisure time or free time, I have developed some hobbies, and these hobbies you can see on the screen. First, reading. Reading, definitely our day begins with reading of newspaper. And to update our knowledge, it is very necessary to read the newspaper and also to read English newspaper to update the knowledge of English also. So we start our day reading newspaper, and whenever we get time, we read to improve our knowledge. So this is one of the hobbies. Then next one is watching television, and especially news bulletin. So this is also very necessary for the teacher to watch news bulletin every day to update the status, latest status in the world. So it is also my habit, as far as possible, to whenever I get chance, I watch television in this regional newspaper, that is regional news, broadcasting news, Marathi, then national in Hindi, and sometimes also I watch English news bulletin. So this is the second hobby, I can say. Third one, whenever I got chance, I like to play chess with my family members, especially with my son. Then Sudoku solving, it is also one of my favorite thing, I can say. So it keeps our brain healthy. We always try to keep our body healthy, but if we want to update our brain, it is also necessary to solve or to play such types of games like chess, solving Sudoku, crossword puzzle. Crossword puzzle in Marathi and in English also, it helps to improve our vocabulary, how to use the proper word at proper place. So this hobby help us to improve ourselves. So these are my hobbies. I can say reading, watching television, especially news bulletin, playing chess with family members, solving Sudoku and crossword puzzle. Second point, what type of music do you like? So to refresh our mind, it is very necessary to listen music. And what type of music do you listen? It is very important. I have heard or I have also read in Kerala, ma'am, uh, music, how the impact of music is not only on the human body or mind, but also on trees,
Plants.
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 And one of the farmers who used to listen the music to his crops in Kerala. And definitely there are very fine results. So this is the impact of music on our mind. It helps the crops to grow healthy. It means it has an impact. So I also like to listen to music, and especially old Hindi music, old Hindi songs. So old Hindi songs very helps us to keep our mind set, to make us enthusiastic and to keep us quiet. So definitely I like to listen old Hindi songs. Classical music. So this is also very helpful to refresh our mind. And I also like classical music, folk music, Lavani, then Punjabi music. So I listen such types of musics. And especially I have a library of more than 1,000 instrumental music songs of old Bollywood songs. So this is also very important, instrumental songs to refresh your mind. And uh, uh, along with this, I also used to listen some bhajans or religious music in the morning. Next, do you travel and where have you been? So definitely everybody likes to travel, and I also like to travel. And uh, I have traveled many religious places in Maharashtra and all over the India. Every year for about 2 times in Diwali vacation and in summer vacation, I like to travel for about a week with my family, especially some religious places. And I also travel to the places which have some geographical importance. For example, forts, museum, and I think that traveling also helps us to make us refresh. Then I have also traveled some beaches, especially in Goa and Konkan, Ganpatipure, and I have visited these beaches, some world famous gardens, SL World, water parks. There are so many water parks in India and in Maharashtra. I have visited the water park of Akluj and Shirdi. So this also is a very good thing for myself. Where you would like to go and why? So though I have visited so many places, but I also like to visit several various cultural, religious, geographical, and the places which have some technical importance. So I like to visit such types of places which have cultural importance, religious importance, geographical and technical importance. So I would like to visit them. And it is also the dream of everybody to visit or to travel abroad, to visit some countries, at least neighbor countries. So it is also my dream to visit Dubai. Now, why Dubai? Because it is a near place, and as far as money is concerned, so if we travel to Dubai, then it is possible to us. So then, if it is possible, I would also like to visit USA and some places. My son, who has also watched on YouTube, Los Angeles, California, New York, etc. So I would also like to visit such places. And London is also a dream place I would like to visit. And now, after this telecollaboration project, I would also like to visit Bangladesh.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
What do you like to do? And when what do you like to do when you travel? So when you are traveling, what you would like to do? So while traveling, first of all, I would like to watch the things minutely. This is very important when we travel. So where we are traveling, we have to watch the things minutely. If we don't watch, then there is no use of the travel. So I would like to watch each and everything, the important things of that particular place minutely. So this is very important one. Understanding the importance of the place. I would like to understand the importance, various kinds of importance, geographical importance, natural importance, cultural importance, religious importance of that place, and collect the information of that place. Understanding reasons of development. So, as I already told you, to visit Dubai. So, it is, we can say, a miracle. When we see the development of Dubai, it is a miracle. So, we have to also understand the reasons behind the development of that place and try to implement those things in our particular country or on our area. So this is also very fine thing. Understanding the cultural importance of that place, civilization of that place. And most of all, why do we travel? We travel to enjoy. And while traveling, I would like to enjoy the food of that place, music, dance, and everything of that particular place. So these are the things I would like to do when I travel. So thank you very much. I have shared my things about how do I spend my free time and what things I would like to do when I travel. So
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Nilufar ma'am, would you like to share your experience?
Just actual, I don't make PPT. This, yeah. Just only I make PPT in sustainable goal in SDGs 3.
You are host now.
Now I just may not make PPT. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Just I speaking.
Okay.
Today, Salim Chaudhary sir is absent. No problem.
Yes. Sir.
He said that he was out of station today, and if there is a problem of connectivity, then he will not join. Okay.
Okay.
He will join in some time, or I will call him after some time.
Okay, at first I want to say what you like to do in your free time. Actually, in free time, I would, my one of hobby is cooking. Do you understand? As a woman,
Yes.
I like to cooking, and I make some various type of foods. My family all time like it. Not only my family, just my father's family and my husband's family, or are like to my cooking. So every day I make some cooking, and
This is the first sign of a good housewife, I can see.
okay, yes, not only housewife, we are also service holder. Okay, so we have I have no enough time, but I will try to. When I get some time, I cook some many items, and they are.
It means that you are not
Son-
only a successful teacher, but also a successful housewife, and you satisfy
Yes,
all the family members with good food.
Yes, I will try my level best. Actually, when I cook, sometimes when we invite some by any occasion in my house, it's maybe 100 people or 200 people. I cook this type of that time all items. Okay, 200 people also.
Oh.
So yeah, so it's my one of the hobby to many types of items cook and serve my family. Okay, as a owner. What type of music do you like? Actual in Rangpur, my region has a one song music, Bhavaiya. It's called Bhavaiya. Okay, my yes, this song is going on my native region language. Do you understand? And it's so nice song, and all over country also like this song. So this Bhavaya song is I like, and another your Hindi song also like. Okay, but Marathi song I don't listen. Just your Hindi film and Hindi songs, it's actually like in all over Bangladeshi people, I think. 70% people, moreover, all are like it's Hindi songs. And every house, all time it going on, okay. And movies. My favorite movie is Ora 11 means there are 11 people. Okay. In this, do you know our country when independent, how you help India most probably help us that time? Do you know that? Do you know?
Yeah.
Yes. So this Indian people, some Indian people, how to help us, and Bangladeshi people, how to appreciate this. These are the story of this film. Okay. So if I have time, I will try to this film to see you. Okay, but today is not. Today I have no time. And then, do you travel? Yes, travel is my first choice option. Okay, I like when I was a student, I travel in my country. It's called Panchaghat, Banglabanda. It's the side of India. It's situated, and to Teknaf. just all over Bangladesh I travel. Many historical places, many just geographical places also. Okay. So travel
One
is
thing,
my
ma'am.
first.
Ma'am, one thing. Are you visited in India? Any place?
No, sir. No.
No.
I
Okay.
can't.
Okay. Okay.
I can't. So if you invited me, I must.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Welcome.
You are always
Welcome. ma'am.
welcome.
I'll try my level best to visit your country. Okay. Just one time I have a opportunity to go your Chennai, but I can't that time passport with my education office not supply my their opinion, so I can't go there. Just one of my younger sister, he got cancer. That time my father and others family also go to Chennai, and they were live there 4 months, stay there, Chennai. I have the opportunity, but I can't go, just some official problems. Okay. Where have you been? Where you like to go? Actually, I want to, it's my dream, and it's when I was in intermediate level, that time I know Kashmir is the place of heaven place. I know that time, and it's my dream to visit Kashmir. You pray for me. I want to go just Kashmir, and my religious place is Makkah. Do you know
Makkah.
Saudi Arabia?
Yeah,
Makkah,
yeah.
yes,
Makkah,
my
Yeah.
Makkah Medina. Yes, it's my
Yes.
religious place. It's my religious place, and it's my dream also. Another also, I visit these religious places. Okay, and another place, Sir Bashab sir, I agree with you. Me also want to go London. Okay, just UK. It's also my another place. Nowadays I work a ISA international program. Do you know, sir, British Council? It's
Yeah.
maintained British Council,
British-
ISA.
Yeah.
Council,
So
yeah.
so I got International School Award. Okay, this 2019, I got this award, and now I work UK partners. Okay, one
Welcome.
project.
Welcome.
It's a funding program, and if in pandemic situation, but mid-June, we will work some projects. Then we get a funding. Then UK partner is visit my country. Me also visit this country. If maybe I have an opportunity, I will be an opportunity to visit London. So you all are pray for me. If I visit this my dream place. Okay. Actually, my brother also citizen is US, and my one sister also live in America, just US. So it's also another dream, to visit my sister house. She lives in Virginia. So this enough. So what you like to do when you travel? Actually, when I travel, all time I listen some music. Just music, you know Rabindranath Tagore?
Yeah.
Do you
Yeah.
know? Yeah.
Yes.
So
He has written
Rabindra
the
Sangit.
national anthem of India.
Yes.
And first,
So,
he got first Nobel Prize in India.
yes,
First Nobel Prize
yes.
winner.
Yes, so I like and all time listen her writing song. Okay, Rabindra Sangit. And and food also. I like when I travel, just some just nut and any drinks I would like to this type of food eat when I travel. So thank you so much, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Marathi, sir.
I try to present
Yeah.
PPT.
I'll make you host. Okay?
Yes.
7 minutes remain. You can explain
Yes.
your.
Are you host?
Yes. 1 minute.
Sir, 6 minutes, sir, only.
Can you watch, sir? Screen?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No.
No, sir.
Watching screen. Watching screen.
Go to share screen.
What
No,
else?
sir.
Huh?
Share screen.
Yes, I am trying. Yes, trying it. I made a PPT, but there is difficult on mobile. 1 minute.
Sir, I think sir is trying, but this time, our student,
Okay. Yes.
what they like this
Preksha.
travel.
Preksha
Yes, sir.
Sehgal.
Just
How-
you ask him
how-
question.
How do you spend your leisure time? What would you like to do in your sejal time? Sejal in your leisure time.
Usually I do painting and sketch, but I also like to making poems, and I have written many poems in Hindi, and I have written 2 poems in English also.
Okay.
Then I also like to traveling, photography, and editing videos.
The
What's
next
also
meeting,
watching
in the
screen?
next meeting, show your poems
Nice.
on the screen.
So,
What's up, sir? Watching
Yeah.
your
Yeah.
screen watch. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Start.
Continue.
Start.
Marathi, sir.
Start.
Continue.
Yes.
Sir, meeting has only may be 3 or
5
4
minutes.
minutes. 5 minutes. So,
Ah.
sir, this time, sir, it's covered. Now, after next session, sir, show this.
किती मिनिटांचं आहे सर?
90 minutes सांगितलं ना. कुठलं माझं का?
हा.
Very few.
Ah.
The topic is that free time and culture.
Okay.
Yes, in this session, welcome all of you and walaikum
Walaikum
salam and namaste and
Good
my
afternoon.
dear lovely students, everybody. Just Mr. Bachao and Nilufar ma'am shared their views on free time and culture. We know that I think we are already talking about my favorite time in the before session. Now we are discussing free time. When we have free time, we can do our favorite thing. And favorite thing, it's time. So these are no difference between favorite time and free time. When free time turns into favorite, it covers favorite hobby. It becomes favorite hobby. However, we are discussing types of hobbies now uh, watching the screen, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Types of hobbies. There are many types of hobbies, and I would like going to garden. You know, gardening is very favorite hobby, and I at first, ma'am, I welcome that you traveled and however you joined this session. Very nice thing. And I would like to tell you that in India, in Maharashtra, there is a plant tulsi. It is very sacred plant. Everybody early in the morning worship of tulsi. It is a plant, and
Full
you
of
know the
oxygen.
song. Yes, and there is a famous song, "Mai Tulsi Tere Angan Ki." This is a song on this plant. So I would like to also traveling. I visited all Maharashtra and also Goa, and at the boundary of Pakistan there is a two holy sacred places, Haridwar, Rishikesh, Kedarnath, Badrinath. I got chance and visited. Those places are very nice in Himalaya. And the next,
Marathe sir,
hmm,
only
yeah,
few seconds remain.
okay, sir.
Okay.
And
You can continue in second session also.
yes, yeah. In favorite music is also for in Maharashtra there are some folk songs. You know, fishermen in Maharashtra they have called Koli. So Koli songs I like Koli songs, and in Khandesh there is also Irani songs. Ma'am, those people who live in forests or in slum areas, in Adivashi areas, we say Adivashi or Bhilla. This is a community of,
Sir.
yeah. Are you start?
Yes, yes. Now you are host.
Yeah, yeah. In the second part, everybody again welcome, and we are talking on session good health and well-being. So this topic has 13 targets. Now we are looking these. Now the first, the topic good health and well-being. Ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. So in this duration in corona epidemic pending, in the in this difficult situation, how the our health can be good, it is very important, and there is a need that how we can keep our health as a good health and well-being. There are, I say, 13 targets. First is reduce maternal mortality. We know the UNO has decided to complete the goals, SDG goals, until or by 2030. So in this, reduce the global maternal mortality ratio and less than 70%. The next goal is end all preventable deaths under 5 years of age. Yesterday I also explained the uh, death ratio, many probably under the 5 years. So with all countries aiming to reduce neonatal mortality to at least as low as 12% and 1000 live births and under 5 mortality. So in this way, the 5 years we focus in good health, the age of 5 with on the children. The next is fight communicable disease. How we can fight to disease? We know some disease uh, which are epidemics. For example, AIDS, TB means tuberculosis, malaria, cancer, and today we face to Corona 19, and we can't neglect tropical disease and combat hepatitis, which are cause waterborne disease and other communicable disease. So these diseases are, how do we make our good health in this situation? Time to time we take vaccine. Vaccine can save to us. So our forefather said to us, and we also say to our students in school, that early to bed, early to rise, who take health, wisdom and wise. This slogan gives the concept that you you get up early in the morning and do exercise, do please prayers, and as though you can keep your good health. Doctor always says an apple a day keep away. Like this, in the morning, take heavy breakfast. At the noon, 50% food we have as a lunch, and in the evening, very less like beggar. So we say सुबह का खाना राजा जैसा हो और शाम का खाना भिखारी जैसा हो, as though we can keep our health good. And the next target is reduce mortality from non-communicable disease and promote mental health. So how can reduce by one third premature mortality from non-communicable disease through prevention? Prevention is very important than cure. So prevention and treatment and promote mental as well as psychological health and well-being. In this way, the next goals is prevent and treat substance abuse. Prevention, just I told, strengthen the prevention and treatment of substance abuse, including narcotic drugs. You stop to tobacco. You don't smoke. On television, there are some advertisement to prohibit the bad things which the human has occurred. For example, smoking cigarettes, drinking and drugs, and eating tobacco like this. These things are very harmful use of alcohol, and many youngster addicted to this. So we should prevent it. Now the next goal is reduce. Our next objective is reduce road injuries and deaths. In India, what is the ratio of accident? In the world, there is a large ratio in India, the happening accidents. And for example, bus accident, train accidents, like this. In India, there is a large population, and there are very few transport facility. So the number of global deaths and injuries from road traffic accidents. So it is very big problem in our country, in India. The next objective is universal access to sexual and reproductive care. Family planning. We know the late lady Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. She told a slogan. Both slogans are very important. First is Garibi Hatao, and small family. Family planning is very important. And the late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi also posed on this scheme, family planning. If your family planning should in control, you can growth in education. So ensure universal access to sexual and reproductive health care service, including for family planning. There is also a government scheme to control on family planning, as though the population should be in limit. So in this way, information and education and the integration of reproductivity health into national strategy. This is also in India. This is the population is also a big problem. And the next objective is achieve universal health coverage. How we can achieve our health? So we know we are good health always ensure our immunity in corona disease. Good health always ensure our immunity, and stall food always creates stress and loss immunity. So we should be eat as a good health. Achieve how can achieve, including financial risk, protection, access to quality essential health care service. There are some schemes, insurance schemes. So we can say health checkup camp, vaccination camp, and there is a medical checkup camp should be take in rural, in slum areas, in population areas, and access to quality essential, and access to safe, effective quality, and affordable essential medicines. So there is medicines, insurance, and now we are the global, the whole world is arrange a campaign of vaccination due to Corona 19 or COVID-19. The next objective is reduce illness and death from hazardous chemicals and pollutions. So we turn to natural thing. We turn we should be eat natural things, not chemical. Substantially reduce the number of deaths and illness. For example, cancer. Many people suffering from cancer from eating chemical, from hazardous chemicals and air. We in the population where in which city has a large population, those countries face air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution. In this way, we can reduce illness. How we can fight it? Next goal is implement the WHO framework conversation tobacco control. Many young stars, school boys turn into this bad habit. And when you eat, the strengthen the implementation of the World Health Organization framework conversation. There is a global campaign to control tobacco or manufacture tobacco in all countries. It is very needed thing for the youngsters. The next goal is support research, development, and universal access to affordable vaccine. Some vaccines are very necessary. In, for example, South Africa, there is also SARS. So some vaccines are needed. Polio, how to face India and control on polio for giving the vaccine, campaigns the vaccine and medicines. The next goal is increase health financing and support health workforce in developing countries. Substantially increase health financing. Many financial bankings or fields are enter in this field, and recruitment development, particularly development countries. In development countries, they should give training and retention of the health workforce. And in the health industry is very developed today. So developing countries, especially in least developed countries, and small island development states. Next goal and the last goal is how improve early warning system for global health risk, strengthen the capacity of all countries, in particular developing countries and undeveloping countries, but particularly developing countries for early warning, risk reduction and management of national and global health risk. So today this topic is very referred to all or global, and in this way I complete my topic. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Hello.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Good. Ganesh Bashtak, sir, you are
Bachao, sir, are you ready?
you are mute.
Yeah.
Now me. Okay.
Okay. Continue and
You make me.
sum up. Yes.
Yes. You make me host.
Yes.
What did you huh? Do you know Bengali language? Sure. তুমি এখন এখানে ইয়া করো না।
Shivam.
Sir, any problem?
1 minute, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Are you start?
No,
Are
you
you
make
start,
me
ma'am?
host.
Yeah.
Maybe not. And maybe not you can.
Marathi, sir.
Marathi, sir. You are not make me host.
Just, ma'am. I take the help with my son.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, ma'am. You are host now.
Okay.
Excuse me. Preksha is trying to join meeting. Please add.
Yes. Ma'am, add Preksha. You are host now. Preksha is trying to add the meeting. Please add her. Admit her. Admit Preksha first. Nilufar, ma'am.
Yes, I admit.
Admitted.
Do you see my screen?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Our third SDG goal is health and human being. The sustainable development goals, what's the objectives? I discussed first the objectives. The sustainable development goals make a bold commitment to end the epidemic of AIDS, tuberculosis, malaria, and other communicable diseases by 2030. The aim is to achieve universal health coverage and provide access to safe and affordable medicines and vaccines for all. Now, health infrastructure in our country. Just 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Health infrastructure in our country to ensure equitable healthcare for every resident in Bangladesh and extensive network of health services has been established. Infrastructure of healthcare facilities can be divided into 3 levels: medical universities, medical college hospitals, and especially hospitals exist at the tertiary level. District hospitals, maternal and child welfare center are considered to be on the secondary level. Upazila health complexes, union health and family welfare centers, and community clinics. Lowest level healthcare facilities are the primary level healthcare providers. Various NGOs and our private institutions also contribute to this intricate network. The total expenditure on healthcare as a percentage of Bangladesh GDP was 2.37% in 2016. In the parliamentary budget of 2017 to 18, the budget that was set for the health sector was 16,203 crore 36 lakhs taka. There are 3 hospitals beds are 10,000 people. The general government expenditure on healthcare as a percentage of total government expenditure was 7.9% as of 2009. Citizens pay most of their healthcare bills as the out-of-pocket expenditures as a percentage of private expenditure on health. 96.5%. The doctor to population ratio is here 1 to 2,000. You understand? 2,000 people, only 1 doctor. And the nurse to population ratio is 1 to 5,000. It's so actually not. Okay. Now health status, demographics here. Population here 168 million. Rural population here 70%. Population density, it's per kilometer, 2 kilometer, 1,070 per kilometer. People below poverty line is 60%. People doubling rate is 25 to 30 years. GDP current here 300. Health problems in Bangladesh. Due to a large population, Bangladesh faces a large burden of diseases. Non-communicable diseases such as diabetes, do you know? Cardiovascular disease, hypertension, stroke, chronic respiratory diseases, and cancer. Communicable disease, tuberculosis, HIV, tetanus, malaria, measles, rubella virus, leprosy, malnutrition, and environmental sanitation problem add to this burden. And nowadays is COVID-19 also. Level of care, the type of health facility in Bangladesh. Level of care, tertiary level, here division or capital, and facilities, teaching hospital and institute. This tertiary level. it's a division level. Secondary level is district level. Administration unit, it is district. Here district hospitals, only for district hospitals. And primary level, this urban level, Upazila, Nulia, Anwar, here, this here. Upazila Health Complex, Union Health and Family Welfare Countries, and community clinics. Thank you, sir. This is my Bangladeshi present situation in my health.
Ah,
Okay, sir. Thank you all.
good.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Very nice presentation. Both Gajanan Marathe sir and
Countries.
Nilufar ma'am, you both have prepared very nice PPT presentation today.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And especially you have specifically mentioned the condition of Bangladesh as far as this
Yeah.
third SDG is concerned, good health and well-being. What is the status of Bangladesh and so many things. So nice presentation. Do you want to say something, Marathe sir?
I completed this topic, sir.
Yeah.
In short, I say that how a good health, about good health, Ramdev Baba says, "Kam khao, gum khao. Kam khao, gum khao."
Yeah.
Okay.
Make me host. I think Marathe sir, you are host.
No, ma'am. Ma'am was.
She has.
Ma'am
I
is
think she has
just
made
now.
you host. Make me host.
I make you host, sir, please. Excuse me.
You
Ma'am
make
is host
Marathe
now.
sir host.
What can do I?
You make me host, Marathe sir.
Oh no, I complete my this. I can't do, sir.
Go to participants, sir. Participants option is there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Click
And you.
participants. My name is there.
Yes, and
Yes. Click on my name.
start. Yes.
Click on my name. There is more option. More option.
Mute, chat, make host. Make host.
Make host.
Rename.
Okay. Make host.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Ready?
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
So very nice presentation by our two teachers. Only 5 minutes remain. Now we will rejoin for about 10 to 15 minutes in the third link. After 10 minutes, we will, when this meeting stop, after 10 minutes, rejoin just for 10 minutes. Okay? Nilufar ma'am?
Sir, excuse
I
me.
think that 90 minutes, sir. Every session has 90 minutes. Na?
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me,
What's
sir.
up, sir? What's up, sir?
Actually, it's my morning, sir.
Yeah.
Sir. But
Yeah.
sir, do you hear me?
Yes.
Sir,
Yeah,
actual
yes.
this time, yeah, actual this time is my evening prayer. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Just so how many times? Just this 5 times you, yeah. Just after 15 minutes we join here. I have namaz. Okay.
We will now 4 minutes remain of this meeting.
Yeah. But,
so it is
sir,
unequal to me to explain everything
Okay.
in 4 minutes.
And sir, every session has
Yes.
90 minutes.
Yes.
Yeah. So we completed it.
No, sir.
Yeah.
2 sessions are only of 40 minutes. So it is necessary to rejoin the third meeting and at least 10 to 15 minutes in the third.
Yeah.
So it is
Participation are
necessary
working.
if you want to
Participate. Yeah.
if we want to complete in two meetings, so it is just
meeting
80
in a day.
minutes. So we
Yeah.
have to complete 90-minute sessions.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Maybe they will not accept us because of lack of time. So it is our duty to complete 90 minutes. So
Yeah,
after
yeah.
this session, we will complete 80 minutes only. So we have to
Okay, okay.
rejoin for just 10 to 15 minutes.
Yeah, yeah.
And after completing this meeting, 7 to 8 minutes for backup of recording. So we
Yeah.
can't join before 10 minutes. So after
Yeah.
completion of this meeting, rejoin after 10 minutes. Now,
Okay.
I would like to share a brief video within these 2 minutes.
We join after 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Okay, no problem.
Okay, okay.
Me
No problem.
take my prayer. Meet.
Okay, let us stop. Ma'am, when will you join? After 15 minutes?
Yes, after 15 minutes, sir. Just me take my
Okay,
prayer.
let
then
us
I join,
stop.
okay?
Let us stop. We will rejoin after 15 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay, sir.
So, Marathe sir and Nilupar ma'am
Yeah.
has already well explained with the help of PPTs what is the third SDG, that is good health and well-being. Now, I would like to show you a video of just 2 minutes, which will explain you very fine. Just
Yeah. Okay, okay.
uh, let us watch that video. Are you able to listen the voice?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
So this is a very short video which help us to understand this third SDG. So these are some objectives which are already explained by Marathe sir. 9 objectives, and the objectives are how we can provide good health and well-being to the population of the whole world by 2030. So it is also the primary need of each and every human being, and especially the people who are living in developing countries. So they should be provided all these things. So these are the 9 aims and objectives we have already learned. So I think there is no need to explain each and every one. The same targets, 9 aims and objectives are here. These are targets and indicates strengthen the implementation of WHO Framework Convention on Tobacco Control in all countries as appropriate. It is already explained by Marathe sir. So definitely we watch on television advertisement related to tobacco. How can we stop people chewing tobacco or the things which are tobacco related? Youngsters especially. So here we have some students of 9th and 10th standard. So beware of tobacco and support the research and development of vaccines and medicine for the communicable and incommunicable diseases that primarily affect developing countries. Provide access to affordable essential medicines and vaccines in accordance with Doha Declaration on the TRIPS Agreement and Public Health, which affirms the right to developing countries to use the provisions in the agreement on trade-related aspects of intellectual property rights regarding flexibilities to protect public health and in particular provide access to medicines for all. So this is very important nowadays. Today we are facing a pandemic situation, COVID-19, and we are facing the problem of vaccines. In India, the population of India is for about 1,030 crore. 130 crore.
Sir, I can category, sir. Sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
There are 3 types: individual health, then family health, and population health. Yeah, thank you.
And social health. That is. Okay.
Yeah.
So as far as possible, we must try. For example, whenever we have to take care of ourselves, that is our personal health. And when we are living as a family, so cleanliness to maintain in our house and the area near our house, it is also very important. But whenever we are outside the house in public place, so in India, we don't think too much hygiene or cleanliness in public places. So it is very important that we must maintain cleanliness in public places also. So good health and well-being it is also explained by Marathe sir. So this is very important one, facts and figures. 400 million, at least 400 million people have no basic health care and 40% lack social protection. So this is the latest condition in the world. 400 million people have no basic health care. So this is very shocking one. 1.6 billion, more than 1.6 billion people live in fragile settings where protected crisis combined with weak national capacity to deliver basic health services present a significant challenge to global health. 15 million by the end of 2017, 21.7 million people living with HIV, very dangerous disease, were receiving antiretroviral therapy, yet more than 15 million people are still waiting to treatment. See, 15 million people who don't get treatment of HIV, affected people. So very dangerous condition about healthcare system. 2 seconds, every 2 seconds, someone aged 30 to 70 years died prematurely from non-communicable diseases, that is cardiovascular disease, chronic respiratory disease, or diabetes or cancer. Because of these major diseases, every 2 seconds, one person from 30 to 70 age die in the whole world. 7 million people die every year from exposure to fine practices, polluted air. So pollution is also one of the great reason behind death rate. 1 in 3, more than 1 of every 3 women have experienced either physical or sexual violence at some point in their life, resulting in both short and long-term consequences for their physical, mental, and sexual and reproductive health. So comparatively, as the condition of women compared to male,
It causes, excuse me, sir, it causes industry as well as traffic,
yeah,
air pollution.
air pollution. So the condition of women is also worst, the worst. If the condition of men is bad, the condition of women is worst. So now I have collected the names of some organizations who are working to improve good health and well-being in India. These are NGOs. First one is Help Age India. Second, CRY, that is Child Rights and Youth. Lepra Society, Smile Foundation, Rural Healthcare Foundation, GUNS, Udan Welfare Foundation, Deepalaya, Uday Foundation, and number 10, Sounds of Silence. So these 10 organizations, NGOs, working to improve good health and well-being in India. So this is the condition of good health and well-being of the world, especially as far as our 2 countries are concerned, Bangladesh and India. So the condition is not good. All the 3 SDs we have learned. So the condition of India and Bangladesh is not so good. So we have to do something. We have to do something to improve the situation. And that's why we are introduced here, the 17 SDGs. So thank you very much for rejoining this last session.
Thank you, sir.
What about tomorrow's session, ma'am? Can we take
Yes, sir.
one session tomorrow?
No, no, sorry. Tomorrow I have 2 sessions. Just my another purpose. Okay.
Then day
So
after tomorrow can we
is
take
not
2 sessions?
Yes, so Saturday just a morning session, because Sunday and Monday is my 2 training session, and it's morning 11 a.m. to maybe 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. Okay.
So
Training
Saturday,
session
Saturday
continue.
we will meet at the same time, 4:30 or 4.
Saturday.
Yeah.
4:30. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Saturday, you want to do 2 session?
Maybe it is not possible for me. If it is possible to you, then
No, sir.
call me tomorrow. Then we will decide.
Okay, I think just only one. Then we have enough time. We make
On Sunday
some-
we can conduct 2 sessions on Sunday.
Yes. Saturday.
Suppose
Sunday.
tomorrow,
On Sunday.
suppose tomorrow ma'am has time, few times, one session will be held tomorrow.
No,
Suppose
tomorrow.
ma'am
No.
has sufficient, no. Okay.
No, this sir. Tomorrow is my weekend, and our Muslim is tomorrow is
Yeah.
Friday.
Friday. Yeah,
Jumma.
Friday.
Jumma, yes, Jumma.
Yeah,
So it's
Okay,
not possible.
So what about Saturday?
My own family
Can we
member
take
is-
2 sessions on Saturday?
That 2 sessions. Okay, Saturday.
Okay.
Saturday
So-
we take 2 sessions.
If I
Morning and
if I don't have any problem in the morning, then we can take 2 sessions on Saturday. If I have to go to school on
Okay.
Saturday, then only 1 session at 4 p.m. Indian time and 4:30 Bangladesh time. Okay.
okay.
Saturday.
Okay. Just
maybe
only one.
2,
Only
one is fixed on Saturday, or maybe 2. We will
Okay.
discuss it on our WhatsApp group tomorrow. Okay. Thank you
Okay,
very
sir.
much,
Okay.
Okay.
Marathe sir.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
Deepa
yeah.
Ma'am, Preksha and Sejal. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank